Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kangshantaha karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. Om. Perceive only Srimanarayana in any devata that you worship, in any form that you worship, so that all the results that you are going to get will be very, very useful and will drive you in a right path. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall start perceiving only you in every form and in any form that I worship. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Pururava came to know that Urvasi, who is Agnisthali, is not real Urvasi. So he left Agnisthali, he went back to his home and started thinking about Urvasi. In that dhyanam, in that meditation itself, Tretayam sampravruttayam manasi traya vartata. Treta Yugam started. Then Vedas came out from his heart and he has seen two trees. He built two aranis, that means those sticks which can be rubbed each other by which the Agni will be born. So with the mantras of Vedam, he chanted and he thought that bottom stick is Urvasi, top stick is himself, and he started rubbing each other. Then Agni is born. Then while meditating upon that Agni, And while thinking about Urvasi, while wishing to attain the world of Urvasi, he worshipped Sri Hari, Sriman Narayana. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 12th sloka. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha kshipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.